Hi, I'm Stephen McCall from Noise Engineering at the NAMM 2018. I'm talking to Analog Zone about our modules that are upcoming early this year, early 2018. So the first module we're going to talk about is the bin seek. It is a very simple 8-step gate sequencer. Just switches per step. The switches are 3 position, and if you put them in the middle, it'll actually tie the beats together for a longer beat. Also has a simple push and go jam for rhythm. Next module is Soleo Vero. So this is a 3-input strobe tuner, so you can patch 3 oscillators through it, select which oscillator you want to tune to, select what note you want to tune to, and then tune it. So if you've ever used a strobe before, you can just, the goal is just to make the pattern stable, and then you're in tune. And there we're in tune. The goal is to be able to tune your oscillators without having to listen to them, because that's always a pain at a live gig. The next module is Clep Diaz. So this is a clock-driven LFO. Let me unmute you. So let me dial it back. Okay, so for each, there are 3 modes. Step mode allows you to select the number of steps in the cycle. So the first one, you get just two steps in the cycle. You get 3. You can also control, like this is in up mode, you can do up, down, or down. So it's very easy to generate like polyrhythmic step CV sequences with this. The middle mode is the same in time, but it randomizes every step just a bit. So each step is a little different. And the third mode is a clocked LFO mode. So you give it a clock and it generates a smooth LFO, but it's at the related frequency to the clock. So it's sort of like an adaptively filtered noise. So if you speed the clock up, the LFO will speed up, but it'll still be smooth, or you can slow it way down and it'll be way slower. Next is the Muta Jovis. This is a very simple module. It's just 4 switch mutes. It connects the inputs to the output for 1 of 4 steps, and it's muted 2. So really simple. It's on or off. It pairs well with our numeric repetitor, just adds mute functionality to them, essentially. And the last module is the Mimetic Digitalis. Let me pull these out of here a little. Okay, YouTube. So this is a 16-step CV sequencer. There we go. So you get 16 steps, 4 outs. You can control the sequence or the step you're on by going to the next, or you can do just X or just Y, so you can do sort of Cartesian style. There's also a random gate input. You can also address all the steps by CVs, so you can send LFOs into it and generate really wacky transitions. And there's a bunch of features for editing things on the fly with this, so we can easily zero all the steps. And then we can just put in a curve. So right now it's set up where I'm editing all 4 patterns at once. Make that clock faster. We can also, the shred button randomizes the current step, so I can go 0. Yeah, you can also go in and do a lot of fine-tune editing with that as well. But those are what we're going to try to get out first quarter this year. So thanks for watching.